Traders, Anthony here. What I want to do with this video is just show you really quickly a winning strategy, but more importantly, show you some results that we're achieving here in VIP. These trades have been sent to, these are all VIP trades. They go into our channel, into our VIP channel. Since the beginning of May, this account has grown 12%, well, nearly 12%. It started at 100K. If this kind of outcome interests you, highly recommend you watch this video through to the end. It's only a short video and it could be an absolute game changer for you. I will admit this red one here was actually closed at break even in VIP, and I actually forgot to close it in TradingView. But the rest of these are the outcome of our VIP signals. Currently trading at the moment, our members have got a couple of trades going here. These two, this one's really doing well. This one's just starting to kick off. The trades that I send to our VIP are taken off these signals here that you see in TradingView. And I've done a ton of videos on the strategy where we look for the retrace on the 4-hour chart, for example, and we want the rotation. So we come into the lower time frame and we get the opportunity. You can actually copy these signals directly from our Telegram manually, or you can automate these so that they are automatically transferred onto your MT4 or MT5. So how to copy the trades automatically? It's pretty simple. You can install TS Copier, this program here. I'm going to have a video in here in the next day or two showing you how to set up our Telegram signals with TS Copier, and you'll be able to import. This is the settings code that you can import into the program. So that's on the website under the TS Copier link. So have them automatically traded for you through TS Copier. Go to our Forex Signals VIP over here, and there's a video. Here are some results under here. You can see the last 8 weeks were winning week. There's 2 months here, and you can see the consistency. One of our members, as you can see here, has passed his prop firm challenge. He's actually funded at the moment. Now, why am I asking 1995? There's a reason for that, and the reason is I get a lot of joy out of the community and sharing my success. I really love doing this and helping other people. That's it. That's the bottom line. I don't want to give it away for free. I've said it before in other videos. You shout me Sushi Train once a month, 1995, and I'm happy to share what I have with you. That's all I'm asking. I don't need any more than that. So what do you get? Well, you get the Telegram signals, trading tutorials, members only videos, and TradingView indicators that you can use. And this is really to encourage you to develop your own trading plan and become an independent, profitable trader. That's the goal. Okay, so here's an invite, guys, to join VIP and benefit from, this one's actually started to move now, from our trade signals. Now, I mean, these are high quality signals that you've got here, guys. So I would say, jump on board with it. So I mean, here you can see how many signals we've been trading each week. But it's the risk reward down here that is more important than anything, this number. Okay, so here's my invite to jump on board with us, guys, and enjoy the journey. We have a chat room that you can get involved with as well. Okay, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.